Hi friends, welcome back. This is Amol Bhoya from Vidisha Infotech, and today we are going to learn about C Sharp data types, keywords in C Sharp, how to use the keywords, and we will see the examples for conversion. So coming to the keywords, there are many types of keywords in C Sharp. So this is the types of keywords present in C Sharp. That is abstract, as, base, boolean, break, byte, case, catch, char, checked, class, const, continue, decimal, default, delegate, do, and so on. You can read it. And we have used some of the keywords in our previous examples also. For example, we have used class, we have used double, we have used character, then public. So these all are type of keywords. We have also used return. So these all are keywords. I'm keeping this screen still as you can read all the keywords. And each keyword has its own usage. So these are the reserved keywords. We will come through to the contextual keyword. Now, what is contextual keyword? It is used to get data, that is from the database. Add keyword is there, alias, ascending, descending, dynamic, from, get, global, group, into, join, let, order by, partial, type, and partial method, remove, select, and set. These all keywords are used in a database, which we will be learning when we work with the data tables. So after this, there are C# data types. Data types are nothing but keywords only, but it is characterized, or I can say it has given some category. So we'll see the categories. Examples are int, char, float, which we use in our regular examples, or declaration, at the time of declaration. So here's the type of keyword, its representation, range, and value is given here. It is boolean, byte, char, decimal, double, float, int, long, s byte, short, unit, u long, u short. So here's the example. In this example, we have used a size of method to identify the size of a keyword, or you can say we can use the size of operator to find this data type value, default value, we can say. So it is bool, byte. So how it is defined here? This part is the common part. Then the main part of the program is console.writeLine. It will write the size of integer. It will take the size of integer by using this method, that is size of, and in bracket what we want. Here it is written integer. We can write u long, u short, short, unit, and so on. You can write that. You must need to practice all this. So here I get the output is size of integer is 4. So as you know how to get the output, I give you the homework to please write the program, the same program using every data type. And I want to know the size of every data type. Here the integer is provided. You need to find out short, unit, u long, short, and the other one, that is decimal, float, double, and integer, long, as byte. So after this we come to the reference type. That was value type, in which we put the value. But what is the reference type? The reference type does not contain the actual data stored in the variable, but they contain a reference to the variable. Means it is just like pointing to others. Means A is pointing to B, so B will point to C. It is like that. For example, here it is. We have created an object obj here, but what we have done, we have assigned it a value that is equal to 100. So the value of that object will be 100. That is, its actual value is not 100, but we have provided the value as 100. So this is known as boxing. So dynamic type, you can store any type of value in the dynamic data type variable. We can take numbers, we can write alphabets, we can store hexadecimal values, and so on. Now string type. String type is used to define the string, a particular string. Suppose hello world is a string, or tutorials point is a string, or Vidisha Infotech is a string, Vidya Computer Education is a string. It comes in the string because it is not a sentence, it is not just a couple of words, that is known as string, and it is identified as S is capital and the other words and str equal to tutorial points, defined as the same way as we have defined our previous programs. Now coming to the pointer types. What are pointer types? Pointer types variables store the memory address of another type. It stores the memory address. Suppose my program is taking memory of 20 bytes. So the pointer will store that address, memory address of where that 20 bytes are stored. If suppose it is stored in C drive, so it will put the it will point the memory location, you can say, and it can be defined as character pointer is equal to CPTR, integer pointer IPTR. We will discuss this in further lectures. Now coming to the conversion type. There are two types of conversions, that is implicit type conversions and explicit types of conversion. Implicits are defined by the C# program itself, and explicits are defined by us. Means we can define while writing a program. We can say as a user defined. Why I am saying user defined? We are the user. If suppose there are three students who are learning C#, suppose one has put the explicit conversion, he want to convert it to integer to character, someone want to convert it to character to string, and someone want to convert to double to float. So there are three different users and they have their different thinking. So in this way the example is given here as shown below. In our next lecture I will be compiling this, I will be writing this program, explaining this program and the previous further programs which I have missed, and with an explanation. So that's it for today. I take a bye from here.